Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to create NumPy arrays. So first of all, let's discuss what is arrays. Arrays is collection of elements of same types. And yesterday's in previous video we have seen related to difference between array and list and how to install the NumPy arrays in Python. Now let's see how to create NumPy arrays by using of NumPy library. There are two ways like from array modules and by using of NumPy arrays we can create a NumPy arrays. So let's understand how to create NumPy arrays by using of NumPy library. First of all, we have to import NumPy library as NP. NP is the alias we can use anything, but NP is the generally used to import NumPy library. Here we are taking a np.array and using help function so that we can check what we are getting return and what we have take to input in array function so that there won't be any confusion. So let's check. This is the basic function of array. We have to give input as a object and data type, and based on data type it will give the n-dimensional array as a output. So let's understand with some example. Here we can say it's a one-dimensional array with three elements. If we want to create a two-dimensional array, we can create that in same way. This is two-dimensional array. There are two square bracket. There are two rows and two columns available in particular two-dimensional array. We can also create three-dimensional array. Let's see how to create three-dimensional array. There are three brackets inside an array, so it will give three-dimensional array. Here we can say there are four rows and two columns. Let's see how to create a how to change the data types inside an array function. So let's understand that thing. So let's repeat the first thing. Inside an array function, we can give it will create a complex data types inside an array or complex array of complex data types. In this way, we can create a NumPy array by using of NumPy library in Python. So in help function, we can also see some example here. So here is given 1, 2, 3 and the square bracket. So we can create a one-dimensional array from this. Upcasting means we can like there are one 2 are the integer type and 3.0 is a float type. So automatically it will take the value of float and it will convert all values into float values. We can also create more than one dimension, like here we have seen already in example like 2 dimension, 3 dimension, and we can also create by n dimension equal to 2. By giving up n dimension equal to 2, it will already convert into a 2 dimension. And here is also we have seen like how to create a complex data types by giving a data type equal to complex or simply written into a string complex. So this is the way to create a array in NumPy. We will see more function available in NumPy in next session. Stay safe and keep learning. Thank you very much.